In this video, I would like to show you how to easily clean up moldy silicone from around the house. For today, I'll be using my toilet as an example and without too much effort, refresh the look of the silicone sealant. And here are all the tools we need. A roll of toilet paper, some bleach. You can use any kind of bleach available to you, some measuring cups for diluting the bleach. I'll be diluting around 30 milliliters of bleach with around 100 milliliters of water for cleaning this silicone sealant. That way I can conserve the amount of bleach and reduce the smell of bleach in my toilet. Next, roll up small pieces of toilet paper, soak it in the mixture and stick it onto the silicone. The reason for doing this is to keep the bleach in contact with the silicone for as long as possible so that it doesn't just simply drip off before it has time to clear the mold. I find that the longer you give it time to react, the better the results. Giving it a night is often enough from my experience. You might have come across some bleach gel that's specifically designed for silicone and that works too. However, I find that they tend to be far more expensive compared to regular bleach, and they can also lose their effectiveness if kept for too long. Nighttime is the best time to do this because it is cool and the tissues are unlikely to dry out. Also, no one has to breathe in the smell of bleach at night since everybody will be sleeping. And now that we are done, I'll see you back in the morning. Good morning, and here is the most satisfying part of the cleaning. I do this once every half a year and I still get amazed every time. I'm using a plastic spoon to remove the tissues so that I can avoid touching the bleach. And if you have made it this far, thank you for watching and do consider subscribing if you'd like to watch more of such videos. Bye!